Hello, unboxing slash review for you. I took the tape off of it already. It is a Karambit from a company called Falcon. That's it. That's the name. The listing is Falcon 7.5-inch tactical style Karambit knife with ABS sheath and cord, full Tang fixed blade knife. And then in parentheses it says choose your color, which, you know, there's green, several other colors available. There's green, camouflage, gold, Damascus, and red spiderweb. Only the green and the black are $5.99, which is what this one is here, the black one. For the price, I figured, you know, why not? I would buy it. You know, no, I mean, I have other Karambits, like from Cuts, that cost, you know, 5-6 times as much as this one does. So I was really curious to see what the big difference was here in a very inexpensive one. If you paid attention to the other video I just did of an inexpensive Karambit, it was really basically crap for the same price. But here it is here. Has the sheath, neck strap, whatever you want to call it. This is one thing I don't like. It barely holds in place here. I mean, it just comes right out. I mean, if you're wearing this, you'll probably lose it. But I would never wear it around my neck anyway. I always take this part off. But here it is here. Here's the handle. The handle actually seems fairly finished. I mean, there's really no seams or anything like that. You can see it looks like actually someone manually cut the extra plastic off of it there. The ring on the back is finished nicely. No sharp edges or nothing like that, but which is, you know, which is something I'd like to see. Or I like to see. Here's the blade. As far as sharpness, it's not bad. It says 440 stainless China, and it does have like a wax coating on it, which of course you'd expect. It does feel and seem nicely made. Now here is a Cuts one. This is about $30 for this one, and it very well in the sheath. It holds very well. This one, it barely. I mean, I can't. I really have to pull it to get it out. I mean, it stays nicely in the sheath for you. It's not going to fall out. The handle is basically the same, except this one's finished and polished a lot better than this one is. That's for sure. And this one does have a nice gloss on it. But this is finished fairly well. I mean, for $6, I'm actually impressed. For the price, you know, for $6, you know, I can recommend it if you want something just cheap for whatever. I mean, I'd use it for, you know, I don't know, kind of like a, you know, throwaway disposable type of knife there, you know, digging around, you know, stuff like that. I wouldn't have to worry about it too much getting destroyed. But Falcon 7.5-inch tactical style Karambit. It's $5.99 on Amazon, and it's actually pretty good. Oh, let me grab the other one here. This is here's the one from Vulcan. Give you a quick comparison here. It's the same price, okay? But it's horrible. I mean, it's the metal. It's sharp around the ring here, and the finish is bad. I mean, there's extra plastic and stuff like that. It's the same price though. I mean, this one is, you know, 100 times better. But all right, that's it.